So temperature control panels for air handler 6, 10, and 11 are in this room. And power supply. So we'll have to see what we can do regarding placement. Let's get those dimensions. So we're about 23 inches tall. By 25 inches wide for all three of those panels. And then the power panel from the door is about 18 and a half from the door by 18 inches wide by 18 inches tall. And one final. Oh, I'm gonna love watching this video. About 22 inches off the floor, 21, give or take. Call it 44, 45 inches up. It's a little bit of a drip. Yeah. I kept feeling a little splash. So similarly, we still got the cold water right here. We can tap off to serve. If we do that, we're gonna have to route probably under these panels. So hopefully we can tie in right there. We'll have to see. We might have to get creative. Or we'll have to see if we can relocate this power panel. But that might be a bigger hassle. Potentially we can land it over there. So we still have our waste right here, coming in. That must be the vent right there, coming off. So this is the vent tie-in for the waste. So similarly, we'd have to tie in right here with some, maybe double Y, come off and serve, but we'll have to take a look.